Wordle Colorizer. You are given the answer to today's Wordle and a list of n attempts to solve it. For each attempt, you must print the corresponding result. Each result must have 5 characters corresponding to the 5 letters of attempt. The character X if the letter is not in answer, the character O if the letter is in answer but another place, the character hashtag if the letter is at the right place. Example, if answer is polka and attempt is solar, then result should be X hashtag hashtag OX. S is not an answer, O is at the right answer, L is at the right place, O is at the right place, A is in answer but another place, R is not in answer. If the same letter is repeated in an attempt, the result should be based on the following priority. 1. Hashtag for the letter appearing at the right place. 2. O for the letter's early occurrences in attempt. 3. X for the letter's remaining occurrences. I'm using PHP for this solution, so the first line is an uppercase word, which is the answer to today's Wordle. The second line is an integer n, the number of attempts to solve the Wordle. The for loop is an uppercase word, which is an attempt to solve the Wordle. Output, n lines each containing a result for an attempt to solve the Wordle. Constraints, 1 less than or equal to n is less than or equal to 6. Answer and attempt always have to have a length of 5 letters. So this is the example for input and output, and there's 4 test cases. First one is polka, second one is water, third one is koala, and the fourth one is nanny. Alright, let's solve it. Alright, so this is a PHP program that reads a secret word and the number n from standard input. After that, it enters a loop for n times, and in each iteration it reads a guess word from the user. Then it compares the guess word with the secret word character by character. If a character in the guess word is in the same position as the corresponding character in the secret word, it marks that position with a hashtag symbol. If a character is in the guess word but not in the same position as the corresponding character in the secret word, let me say that again, sorry. If a character is in the guess word but not in the same position as the corresponding character in the secret word, it marks that position with an O symbol. After comparing the entire guess word with that secret word, it outputs the result to the console. The loop continues for n iterations or until the secret word is guessed correctly.